just wanted to touch base with everybody. We've got the next round of Level Up classes starting on the 10th of June, and for this round we're going to take a look at 9 non-diatonic notes, ways to add notes outside the major scale to the things that we play. Flat 3, flat 5, flat 7, but for each chord in the song, not just based on the scale. And we're going to look at non-adjacent double stops to sort of fill things out, things like that. Black Mountain Rag is going to be one of our vehicles for it. We're going to break it down and map it out and look at it in G, C, and D positions, and then put it back together again and add some other flavors to it through basically expanding the primary color arpeggios to add an additional note. Each primary color arpeggio gets its own blue note, and by doing so you build this whole other extension or another set of maps on the fretboard that are super usable and very sort of bluesy, but not so as predictable, just like playing a blues scale. We're also going to build solo breaks for Little Maggie, because it has a flat 7 chord, so it's non-diatonic, causes us to push outside of that. And then we're going to use this Farewell Blues as an exercise and a warm-up for chasing chords and following patterns around things where you can't just sort of play out of a pentatonic scale, which, you know, I'm not a huge fan of just focusing on the pentatonics all the time anyway, but should be a fun time. Every other Thursday night starting June 10th. You can find more information at Nashville Flatpick Camps, NashvilleAcousticCamps.com, and or Fifth Fret Productions. We'll get you links there too, but I hope to see you there.